I'm not sending that to the DHSS.
Terrible. This is too hot. That's looking good. It's looking like a cupboard already. Things getting serious now. Load of roof tiles arrived. Lee's full on getting this done. Well, it's day 2 in the grand cupboard build, and Lee's in full flight. What do you think of it so far?
Crap.
Can't say that. And some would say that we've got his and hers, but I think it's a matter of style. It could be the best cupboard this side of Los Cristianos.
Everybody, when they walk past, look at them. That's a 2-bob patio.
Brilliant. I love it. That's okay. Things are getting technical in here on the roof. Right, it's day 3 of the big cupboard build, and Lee is back. What's the plan for today then, Lee?
Not a lot.
No change there then. And the light is going in. Electrical cables coming through. Poles have been added around the base. It's a big moment. The integral light of the shed goes in. 5. Oh, it's on. That's very nice. I like it.
Here we see a very rare sight indeed. The little known Raimondo workaholic, busy filling in the screw heads. In the distance there, you can see a Viking boat. It's possible they've come to take him away. I can only hope.
Bespoke shelving now in place. Well, Lee, it's the end. How you feeling? Knackered.
Knackered.
Burnt to a crisp.
Burnt to crisp. Larry the lobster.
But it's been an experience.
Sore head. Can't touch it.
Oh no. Anyway, thank you very much.
No worries.
Darling, in full flight. Good.
Well done, darling.
Nice.
Thank you.
It's day 4 of the grand shed build. Lee is back in full flight. Today he's mortaring the ceiling, or even the roof. Is that the plan?
Plans? Don't have plans.
What do you mean there's no plan? final white rendering is going on. And that really sets it off. Well, it's all finished. It's got to be the best looking shed in Tenerife, isn't it?
It's awesome.
Here he is, my main man. Thanks very much. It's been a great job.
No problem.
And no doubt we'll be lining other work up for you. So for now, from Lee and his crew, back to the studio.